Which part of your sleep cycle is important? The deep sleep phase or the REM sleep? Let's investigate. Back in the 1980s, there were some studies that were conducted that would probably never be replicated due to ethical issues. But researchers conducted a study where they sleep deprived rats until they died. They divided the rats into three main groups. One group was totally sleep deprived, the second group was deprived of their REM phase of sleep, and the third group was deprived of their deep sleep. The rats totally sleep deprived died just as quickly from sleep deprivation as they would from food deprivation. So this proved that sleep is just as important as food. Okay, alright. That makes sense. But what was interesting were the findings of the other two groups. That is the group that was selectively deprived of deep sleep and the other that was deprived exclusively of REM sleep, also known as rapid eye movement sleep, or the phase of your sleep when you see dreams, also known as dream sleep. And what they found was that rats deprived exclusively of REM sleep died just as quickly as those that were totally sleep deprived. Whereas non-REM sleep deprivation, that is, those rats that were deprived of their deep sleep phase, took 60% longer to die. So in other words, if we wanted to probably rank order the brutality of sleep deprivation based on those studies, then it would seem that sleep in totality is important, then the REM sleep, and then the non-REM deep sleep. So REM or rapid eye movement sleep is not just that phase of your sleep cycle where you see dreams, but it is more important for memory consolidation, brain function, and much more than what we acknowledge it to be. However, remember, there is newer data that also suggests that non-REM sleep is equally important as it is the more restful and restorative phase of sleep. So that is when all the repair work is going to take place. So basically, you need good quality sleep no matter what. Tracking your sleep for a while might be a good idea to kind of give you a sense of your sleep quality. Alrighty, time for fun facts. Do you know about the longest sleep deprivation experiment in human beings? Teamed with the creativity and cockiness that goes with teenage years, Bruce and his friend Randy decided that they wanted to beat the world record for staying awake, which at that time was held by a DJ in Honolulu who had managed to 60 hours, that is just under 11 days. But 17-year-old Randy Gardner managed to stay awake for 11 days and 25 minutes. Can you believe it? Bruce McAllister, one of the high school students who actually came up with the idea, said it stemmed up with a simple need to come up with a science fair project. Crazy, right? Want to know what is the best way to track your sleep and what are some of the best hacks to improve your sleep quality? Let me know in the comments below. Till then, I'll leave you with the question of the day to ponder. And that is, if you were sleep deprived for 24 hours, left hungry for 24 hours, or left without water for 24 hours, which factor do you think will kill you first? If you enjoy watching science-backed and clinical experience-driven videos based on the human body, skincare, hair care, and everything related with healthy aging, then make sure you have subscribed to the channel and turned on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any new video that gets uploaded. Continue to glow, thrive, and shine as always. Take care. I'll see you soon.